Hey, what is up everybody? I am Jason and you watch my channel Micro Investor. So in this video we're going to be talking about one of the smallest weighted holdings in Ark Invest Autonomous Technology and Robotics ETF, ticker symbol ARKQ. ARKQ has exposure to autonomous vehicles, energy storage, robotics, and automation, 3D printing, and space exploration. The stock in particular that we're going to be talking about is Organovo Holdings, ticker symbol ONVO, which is the 39th largest holding in ARKQ, and currently they have 198,425 shares, equaling a little bit over $2 million worth, and that only makes up 0.26% of the weight of the ETF. So Organovo Holdings is a 3D printing type company, which is why they are in ARKQ. But they're not doing the type of 3D printing that you probably think they're doing. They're not 3D printing something that can be used for a device or manufacturing or something along those lines. What they're doing is 3D bioprinting. And they bioprint tissue that can be used to mimic aspects of human biology. So very interesting stuff. So as we get into this, if you guys don't mind, please do me a huge favor and please be sure to smash, destroy, and annihilate that like button because it does help me out with the YouTube algorithm and it helps spread this video to more people that might find it interesting, and also subscribe if you have not already. Now let's get to this. Organovo, their stock is up 95% over the year, and they have a market cap of 67.66 million, so they're very much a small company compared to a lot of the other stocks that we talk about on this channel. And Organovo stock has been making some pretty big moves over this last month, with it being up 68%. Organovo is pioneering a unique set of therapeutic and drug profiling capabilities based on their revolutionary ability to 3D print tissue that mimic key aspects of human biology and disease. They intend to fundamentally alter the drug discovery landscape by the development of novel therapies for disease, which have a much higher chance of efficiency in the clinic focused on the human primary cell 3D models of disease that more faithfully recapitulate disease processes. It's crazy to think that the technology of 3D printing has gotten to the point where it's bioprinting, where they can basically print something like that can act as a living tissue or that can be used for an organ. That's insane. And this is just still a new technology. This technology is going to continue to grow. Now let's take a look over at their balance sheet. They have a cash and cash equivalent of $24.8 million and total assets of $25.6 million. And their total liabilities are $835,000. So that is nice to see that they have that much cash on hand. Now, if we take a look over at their income for their last reported quarter, which ended on June 30th, we'll see that they had no revenue that entire quarter. And the most money that they made that quarter was from interest from the bank, which was $8,000 for all the cash that they have. They actually had a net loss that quarter of $2.76 million. There's a lot of things about this company that I find interesting. One, the whole technology aspect and 3D printing aspect and the biotechnology that they have created. Who would have thought that 30 years ago that something like this would actually exist, that there would be a way to bioprint something that can act as human tissue to be able to repair the body in some sort of way from diseases or anything like that. This 3D printing, bioprinting technology is something that can continue to go somewhere. Like, there is room to grow in this, and it would be interesting to see where this goes in the future. So I find it interesting that Ark Invest chose to invest in this company, and maybe Kathy Woods knows something about this particular company that we don't, and that's another reason why it just sounds more interesting to me. So Organovo, as you know, is not a big company, and I'm sure there is quite a bit of risk with investing into them. But anyways, I'd like to know if there's anybody out there that is invested into Organovo. Please let me know. So as always, everybody, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. I have new videos coming out on my channel all the time. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you all in the next video coming very soon.